Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a backup and restore of a Microsoft SQL database. The version of Microsoft SQL Server I'm using is 2014, but the process is much the same for the other versions as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go into my SQL Server instance, and I have a test database here called Northwind. So to back it up, the first thing I need to do is right click on it, come down to tasks, and then come down to backup. Okay, so we can see here, database Norwin, that's the one we want to back up. Going to leave it as full database, and we can see I already have a directory created, SQL Backups Northwind, but I'll just remove this and show you how you can add your location to backup. So I'm going to click add. I'm going to click these three little dots here. I'm just going to navigate to that folder where I want it to be backed up. So I have SQL backups here, and I'm going to call it Northwind. Okay. And then I'm going to click OK. In a live environment, it would be best practice to have your database backed up to a location that's off the server, so that would ensure if you had any server failure, you could still recover your database. But I'm just going to click OK now, and the database will begin to back up. Perfect, so we can see the database has now been backed up. Okay, so now we're going to go back into our SQL Server instance, and I'm just going to delete this Northwind database now, and click OK. Okay, so the database is now gone. So in a real world scenario, the database has been deleted by mistake. Now we need to recover it. So right click on databases. I'm going to click restore database. Okay, going to click on device. Going to click these three little dots. File, leave it as file. I'm going to click add. And now I'm going to navigate to where I backed up my file. So SQL backups, files, and we can see Northwind here. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK again, and then it all seems OK, so I'm going to click OK. And we can see database Norwin's been restored successfully. So if we check, and we can see we have our tables here. So we successfully backed up and then restored that database after deletion. If you encounter any problems, be sure to leave in the comments below, and if I can help, I certainly will. Thanks for watching.